today is the day. Today's the day I show you exactly what I eat in a day during my cut. And at the end of the video, I'll leave you with a PDF file that has everything I eat with their corresponding macros or calories, so that if you want to build something like it, you can have a template to work off of. Okay? I think it's time to get into it.
This is meal number 1, breakfast.
For this meal, I used 224 grams, 93% lean ground beef, 5 little potatoes. I'm gonna boil them for about 15 minutes. A little bit of steak seasoning, and then 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cilantro salsa, 1/4 of a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and this is the total calories and macros for this meal. Next up on the menu, we have
meal number 2, lunch.
For this meal, I'm using 160 grams of chicken tenderloins, assorted seasoning, 1 tablespoon of very teriyaki, 2 sandwich buns from Old Time, mayo, ketchup, 2 tablespoons of cilantro salsa. And here's the list for everything that went into the salad. Everything added up to these calories and macros. Now for the pre-workout snack, I am using brown rice cereal, whey protein isolate, 2% milk, and this is the total calories and macros.
I do work out around 5:45 to 6 a.m. most of the time, which means I do eat my pre-workout meal before all the other meals because I don't like training fasted, so just something to remember. Pulled up to the gym. The goal today is not to lift, but to do some cardio and then some mobility type stuff. So today's the weekend and we're just gonna take it easy. I just got done with some mobility exercises and 25 minutes of high intensity cardio. So I'm gonna have my post-workout snack, which is some rice cakes. I have like 2 of them. And I have my protein powder, which I had packed here from earlier. So I have protein powder here and I have creatine in here. I love to take my creatine post-workout. It doesn't matter when you take it. Let me know down in the comment section if I should do another video on just like the supplements that I take, and I'll definitely make a video on that. Okay, it's time for meal number 3.
And for this meal, I'm using about 150 grams of Atlantic salmon. I gotta season at the taste. I'm just gonna make a whole bunch of rice and then measure it at the end, taking into account the water that I added. So 170 grams white rice, and this is the total calories and macros. Yeah, Picasso.
Finally, we have the last snack of the day.
And this one's very simple: scare, blackberries, and strawberries. This is the total calories and macros. If you want an access to the PDF file showing you exactly the foods and macros or calories that I just ate, I'll leave it right here above the screen, or you can check somewhere down in the description. Hopefully this gives you an insight into what I eat during my cut. And if you're new to this whole health and bodybuilding thing, I hope this gives you kind of a template that you can modify, to something that works for you. I currently weigh about 151. If you thought you were about to see them dogs for free, you're out your damn mind. 27 years old. I'm also about 5'6", 5'7" on Tinder. And so unless you're exactly the same person as me, then it'll work for you. So I highly recommend you modify it so you can, have something that works for you. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like. Consider subscribing to the channel because I have a lot more informational videos like this coming up. Leave me a comment down below. Recommend certain videos that you want me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.